This is baba ganoush, but with a clearly local twist. Bring this to someone's potluck and have them go like, ooh, wow. But actually all you did was use an air fryer. Eggplants need all that heat so we can remove that moisture and give them caramelization. We're going to start by scraping our eggplant into the bowl and mix everything else together. I need you guys to remember two things. First, recipes are a guide. Tweak everything to your preference. Taste everything so you understand it. And number two, remember to check out our YouTube channel for the full video.